presume Kamal will explain what's the drama been happening. So this is the first screening of in the rainy season, I must say, because we suddenly had problems in the projection room. Looked like moisture has got into the system. Anyway, we are through with all that. We'll start immediately. But before that, I would just like Kamal to talk at length about the project and maybe a bit about Battle of Banaras. Let's clear that air.
I'm very disappointed that we are not showing Battle of Banaras because I'm very fond of that film. And I must tell you why. This film Battle of Banaras was based on a book by Ilyas Kaneti called Crowd and Power. So the election was a good opportunity to understand his writings about what kind of crowds are there, invisible crowd, crystal crowd, and so I had an opportunity to explore his ideas in that situation. And we finished this film last year during the election in Banaras, but there was some kind of a dispute amongst the producers, so it's a disputed property. So I tried to show it here, but somehow this one of the producers came to know about it, and he stopped the screening. And in future I'll try, and now, like I put this into the Facebook, or the FD had put it in the Facebook, so everybody came to know about it. The next screening, maybe I'll never say that it's Battle of Banaras. It'll be whenever you hear something on Facebook that a film by Kamal Saru is going to be Battle of Banaras, and it's worth seeing. This film is really good, and it's a very big documentary in 4K, and it's not an independent film like one man does his camera, sound and editing. It has proper professional cameraman, professional sound guys, professional editors. So it is not a one-man show. So I'll call it a genuinely an industrial documentary kind of a thing. Now about this Rangbhoomi, I mean many of you must have seen this film. The background to the Rangbhoomi is that in 1990, I wanted to make a feature film on Phalke. So I started doing a research. So I made a scrapbook, and I was researching. So that scrapbook slowly grew. Then I said, no, I must visit the places where Phalke lived. So I traveled into the cities where Phalke lived and worked or got an education, and we did workshop in various cities. And so we had covered Nasik, Kolhapur, Pune, Bombay, and Baroda. And we were doing the workshop, and we were recording the workshop. In the workshops, the students were supposed to write the stories about the Phalke in that city, about Phalke and the technology of that time. And only city that I hadn't covered was Banaras, So in 2013, I went to Kundu Sahib and said, I want to do the compilation of all the recordings I have done, and I want to cover this Banaras city this time, Phalke in Banaras. Phalke had gone to Banaras after resigning from filmmaking, and he had taken a bit kind of a sannyas there. But he got into theatre, so he wrote a play called Rangbhoomi there. So the film is about Phalke, this Rangbhoomi, and his stay in Banaras, and how we are, researching the life of Phalke in Banaras, and the text is from Rangbhoomi. So the film is about that, and the compilation film is almost ready. So my whole work towards Phalke project, which took me about 25 years, comes to an end. Thank you.